Hey everybody, Mike Franz with GigaPan here in Portland, Oregon. So we're just going to do a couple of quick little tutorial things for you. First one thing we really want to talk about today is setup and putting your camera onto the Pro. We're using a Manfrotto tripod, the Epic Pro, a Rebel T1i, and a 100mm macro lens. It's pretty straightforward and it's honestly really pretty simple. The first thing you really want to make sure that you're doing is that you've got everything level. So most tripods have a bubble level on them. So you want to eyeball that, get that level. And then there's also a bubble level on the top of the Pro that you can use for reference as well. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take the quick release mount that comes with, or the quick release plate that comes with your Pro. You will screw that into the bottom of the camera. And once you've got that tightened down, you'll take the quick release plate, put it into the quick release mount, push down the thumb lever to lock it in place, and then lock down the safety. Pretty simple. So the next thing that you want to do is adjust the camera's height and its front to back position. So in adjusting the height, the whole goal is to take the center axis and line it up with these thumb screws. And the center point of these thumb screws. So all I'm going to do is raise up the camera until I think, all right, that's about the center axis. That looks good. Once I've got that, I just tighten down and I'm locked in place where I want to be. The next adjustment you're going to make is the rail adjustment. Now, that rail is designed to go forward and backwards to adjust for the nodal point on your lenses or the parallax point. We have another video that we've done that goes more in depth into that process, so don't worry. Right here and right now, we just want to make sure that it's close. So what I've done is I've looked down this lens and determined that my aperture blades sit right about the center of this focus collar here. And so what I want to do is take that point, line it up with the center axis across the top here. So I'm going to move this back a little bit and eyeball that. Once I get that to where I want it, I'm going to tighten that down and I'm all set and I'm ready to go. The last thing you're going to want to do is connect the camera to the Pro. This is a shutter release cable. One end has a mini USB, the other end has the camera connector to it. So the Pro will come with 7 different connectors. There's 3 Nikon, 2 Canon, a Sony, and an Olympus. This happens to be the Canon E3 style because that's what goes into the Rebel bodies. So we take the mini USB here, we take that end, plug that into the Pro, take the E3 connector end, plug that into our Rebel. We're done. Thanks for watching.